Hello, everyone, and how are you today? I'm so excited to be back with a process video for Project Life 2024. I am working on around week 8 here. It was the end of February, that weekend with the 15th, 16th of February, and into the following week. And so we did go to the beach that weekend. It was really lovely. I did have some wisdom teeth surgery that weekend, well, on the Thursday, and then I we went to the beach after to recover. So you have a few photos here with me before and after surgery, and then my recuperating. And I finally got to use that Embrace the Glorious Mess that we are card, so that was nice. And I am backing these chipboard pieces here to create a bit of a tab, and I left that page protector empty so that yeah, there's a bit of white space. I like how that looks, especially with the 6x8 layout. So Project Life, I think having a bit of space is great to break things up. And so I'm going to use this blue Hot Pocket. We have a lot of blue hues for this weekend trip because it was at the beach and it was really great weather. So I'm also wanting to use these plastic words. And first I was thinking that I would create a journal card or a shaker journal card with the words on it, like love this currently. But then I figure out another way that I want to use it, and I'm really glad. And I can't wait to show you that later on in the video. So once I kind of decide, well, how I'm going to set this up, I decide to put the name of the beach in these mint green letters. I'll link these down below for you. But I really love the font. It's nice and thin, and I could get the entire word across. And some other ideas that I had for this was to create a cut file in Cricut and have those floating over the photos. But in the end, I like this look because it allows me to get a similar look, but easier than going into Cricut and creating a cut file. I guess, I mean, easier, it's pros and cons. And one thing, you have to design it, and then the Cricut cuts it out for you. And in this, I just take some time to stick the letters down, but they're already cut out. So just depends on how you prefer to spend your time in that moment. For me, this felt right. So just spacing these out evenly and having them right on top of the photo so it kind of looks like it's floating still. And I love that the page protectors allow an easy way for this to be done. So moving on, I just continue laying this out, deciding whether to just keep them next to each other nice and snug or kind of try to spread them out throughout the 3x4. But I just pull the page protector out so that I have more space. I am a left-hander, so when I get into the spine of it all, it gets a bit cramped for me. But yeah, this works out well, and I love how it looks layered over our photo of the beach and our beach walk and breakfast by the beach. So once I have all these letters in, then I continue on to the other parts of the layout. So now I'm just adding in some of these plastic circles. I thought it looked really cute to have a shaker pocket as well as the wooden little anchor happening in there. Just adding some things into this pocket to make it a bit more interesting. I loved using the hard pocket to introduce that we went to sea life on this bit, and I was also wanting to use one of these felt banners here. I thought that would look good. So just playing around with some bits and pieces of my stash until I'm happy with how that goes. And then once I'm through with it all, then this spread is pretty much done. I really loved working with the Saver Kit and some aspects of my stash for this particular layout, and I thought it was really fun. And this is it, guys. Thanks so much for joining me here today for this video. I hope that you would subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I look forward to seeing you again soon in one of my other videos. Feel free to comment down below with any questions that you have. I'll be happy to answer them all. And again, any of the products that I've used, once they're still available, I would link them down below for you. So have a great day, guys. See you again soon. Bye.